Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Does bread savings have branches? I've been using bread savings for a while now, and I've been really happy with it. It's a great way to save money, and it's really easy to use. But I know that a lot of people are still skeptical about using online banks. They're worried about security, and they're worried about not having a physical branch to go to. So, I thought it would be helpful to do a video about whether or not bread savings has branches. I'll also talk about some of the other pros and cons of using bread savings. So, does bread savings have branches? The answer is no. Bread savings is an online bank, so it doesn't have any physical branches. This can be a downside for some people. If you're used to going to your local bank branch to do your banking, then you might not be comfortable using an online bank. However, there are a lot of advantages to using an online bank. One advantage is that online banks are usually open 24/7. This means that you can do your banking whenever you want, day or night. Another advantage is that online banks typically have lower fees than traditional banks. This is because online banks don't have the same overhead costs as traditional banks, such as the cost of maintaining physical branches. So, which is better for you? An online bank or a traditional bank? It really depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're someone who likes to go to your local bank branch to do your banking, then an online bank might not be the right choice for you. However, if you're someone who is looking for a more convenient and affordable way to bank, then an online bank might be a good option. In addition to whether or not bread savings has branches, there are a few other things that you might be wondering about. For example, how secure is bread savings? And what are the other features that bread savings offers? Security. Bread savings is a very secure bank. They use a number of security measures to protect your money, including 256-bit SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, fraud monitoring. In addition, bread savings is a member of the FDIC, which means that your money is insured up to $250,000. Other features. Bread savings offers a number of other features that make it a great choice for saving money. These features include high interest rates, no monthly fees, automatic savings features, free overdraft protection. Pros and cons. Here is a summary of the pros and cons of using bread savings. Pros. No branches. Open 24/7. Lower fees. Secure. High interest rates. No monthly fees. Automatic savings features. Free overdraft protection. Easy to use. Cons. No physical branches. May not be as familiar to some people. So, does bread savings have branches? No, it doesn't. But that doesn't mean that it's not a good choice for saving money. In fact, there are a number of advantages to using an online bank like bread savings. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use bread savings is up to you. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to save money, then bread savings is a great option.